Heavy-duty cooling systems have changed in recent years with the introduction of more aluminum components and HD coolant technologies that are 25-plus years old. Coolants that worked well in the cast iron copper brass system do not necessarily work well in cast iron aluminum systems. Extended life coolants continue to increase their presence in the marketplace at the cost of conventional silicate coolants. In the field, coolant technologies are not fully understood, or product offerings are too confusing or misleading. The game changer has been the introduction of the CAB radiator and heater core. CAB stands for Controlled Atmosphere Brazing. This is when the aluminum radiator core is brazed in a furnace to join the tubes, fins, and headers together. A CAB radiator and heater core can react with various coolant technologies. Nitrite has become a big no in extended life coolants when used in many modern cooling systems with CAB radiator heater cores, as it is thought to cause cooling system problems. Many heavy-duty original equipment manufacturers are moving away from the use of nitrite. Both Cummins and Detroit Diesel have restrictions on its use. Coolant technology is being stressed by changes in engine design. Heavy-duty coolant needs to be designed to optimize organic acid inhibitor technology and be nitrite-free. It must also be compatible with other nitrite-free organic acid inhibitor technology coolants. HD coolant technologies of today and the future must have improved general surface corrosion, improved cavitation corrosion, and improved elastomer performance compatibility. That means HD coolants today must have improved overall performance and formula stability, and also improved coolant compatibility. With all the improvements, it must perform to a true 1 million miles or 20,000 hours of service life with proper maintenance and increase uptime. Not only are rust, corrosion, and erosion a problem in any cooling system, but in a heavy-duty diesel cooling system, cavitation pitting can be very costly. It is very important to protect against costly cavitation corrosion. Prestone Technology Center's goal was to design a superior heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant. When research initiated on the development of a new advanced inhibitor package for heavy-duty coolant, our scientists focused on all aspects of the cooling system. One area of focus were the metals used in heavy-duty diesel vehicles. Newer vehicles are using more aluminum cooling system components. With iron components, there is a broad range of effective organic acids. With aluminum components, there is a more narrow range of effective organic acids. And the new coolant technology has to protect the older cast iron and copper brass systems. The key to a superior HD formulation is to provide a balanced inhibitor package to optimally protect both aluminum and iron components at the same time. The inhibitor package is balanced to ensure complete compatibility with all elastomers and seals, new and old. Prestone Technology Center accomplished their goal with our new Prestone Command patented Cor-Guard corrosion inhibitor technology. Now let's see how Cor-Guard technology protects, and review some test results when it is compared to a commercially available heavy-duty oat coolant. Prestone patented Cor-Guard technology instantly bonds to surfaces, protecting all components, stopping the spread of cavitation erosion, corrosion, and rust, and helping to eliminate corrosion byproducts for optimum heat exchange. While other extended life coolants can take up to 4,000 to 6,000 miles to build protection, when using Prestone Cor-Guard coolant technology with a complete drain, flush, and refill, it instantly bonds with cooling system components to protect for up to 1 million miles or 20,000 hours. Prestone has done extensive testing to prove that when using our Cor-Guard technology to top off any existing heavy-duty nitrite-free oat coolant, the performance of the original coolant will be improved. What this means is that our advanced inhibitor technology helps the existing coolant by improving the stability and corrosion protection. Now let's review some of the testing completed by our scientists and engineering staff at the Prestone Technology Center. Here you can see the results of the modified ASTM D2809 water pump test. The ASTM D2809 water pump test is required by the original equipment manufacturers and is designed to run for 100 hours. In this test, a commercially available heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant was evaluated with a new water pump. On the right, you can see the black aluminum oxide coating that builds up on the water pump and cover after just 100 hours of testing. Now let's look at the same test using Prestone Command patented heavy-duty Cor-Guard corrosion inhibitor technology. On the left is the new pump, and on the right are the results when using Cor-Guard technology. The pump and cover still look like new after 100-hour testing. Additional testing was completed to evaluate the cavitation performance of competitors' heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolants versus Cor-Guard coolant technology. The results of the 4 competitor tests show visible cavitation pitting on the water pump impellers. When using Cor-Guard, the results on the water pump impellers showed no cavitation pitting, and the pump is still in like-new condition. Prestone Technology Center's scientists and engineers take testing to the next level with proprietary testing, which corresponds to Prestone's heavy-duty fleet test. The proprietary test is done to further evaluate the coolant performance under severe conditions to further differentiate the various nitrite-free technologies. Let's look at some test results using a competitor's heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant product versus Prestone Command Cor-Guard coolant. The Prestone Technology Center completed the proprietary testing using a commercially available heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant. The test ran for 1,075 hours. Notice the black aluminum oxide coating that builds up inside the water pump, pump cover, and thermostat housing. During temperature cycling, this oxide coating can separate from a component and transport to other components in the cooling system. The term used for this is called transport deposits. Transport deposits can build up and adhere to other components, lowering heat transfer capability, causing metal temperatures to run hotter than normal. The Prestone Technology Center completed the same testing using our Prestone Cor-Guard coolant. Notice the water pump, pump cover, and thermostat housing still look like new after the 1,075 hours of testing. No black oxide coating and no problems with transport deposits when using Cor-Guard. Prestone Cor-Guard technology helps maintain heat transfer capabilities to the design parameters for the life of the coolant. These pictures show a direct comparison after the heavy-duty proprietary testing with a runtime of 1,075 hours. The test demonstrates that Cor-Guard improves protection of cooling system components, providing optimal efficiency and increases uptime to 1 million miles or 20,000 hours. Look at the pictures of the coolant reservoir or expansion tank. With Prestone Command Cor-Guard coolant, the dye color is maintained during hundreds of hours of testing, surpassing the commercially available heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant's dye. Maintaining the dye color is important through the life of the coolant. A visual inspection could lead to an unnecessary flush and refilling of the cooling system. Prestone has accomplished designing and testing a heavy-duty coolant that will help increase uptime. Prestone Command Cor-Guard coolant checks off all the protection and performance check marks with a superior coolant technology for today's and yesterday's heavy-duty engines and cooling systems. Look for this shield to know you have the protection necessary when using the latest technologically advanced heavy-duty antifreeze coolant. Increase uptime with Prestone Command heavy-duty nitrite-free extended life coolant with patented Cor-Guard corrosion inhibitor technology.